Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons. Rear-ends a car in the middle of the road because slowing down for chaos is optional.
What? You need, this is my preference, okay?
Come on now.
Rodrigo, para, vai arrumar confusão, Rodrigo.
Really, that you came here to talk to me? Piece of...
Seria justo esse pessoal ocupar essa terra e eu de repente concordaria contigo, acho que até concordaria contigo. Agora, dependendo da forma que é feita, a forma que é feita eu acho errado. Agora, quando você apresenta
não, olha lá, Rodrigo.
um argumento, uma justificativa histórica, ao meu ver, ela foge completamente de qualquer legitimidade, porque você se fundamentando na história, você está hoje punindo pessoas que de fato não cometeram crime algum.
I have a dashcam here!
Para favorecer pessoas que não foram vítimas de crime algum.
New message from Vladislav. I'm looking for you.
Watch where the f*** you're going, you stupid f*** you bitch!
I know, ask and I'll let you in, don't just push.
I got a dash cam, honey. I got a dash cam, honey.
Ask and I'll let you in, don't be pushy. Don't be pushy, ask and I'll let you in. I'm a decent person. Unlike somebody that's being pushy.
Why do I gotta ask you though?
Because it's common decency to ask. I have the right of way, you don't. Ask and I'll let you in. Don't be pushy, bro. Ask though. I'm telling you for future reference so you don't piss off more people with your ignorant attitude. Ask and I'll let you in. I'm not a bad person. I'm like somebody that's being pushy. Okay, then move. You're in my way. That's why I didn't want you doing this. Now you're holding up how many people?
I got your plate, dumb. Catch me. You're on video, dumb. Come here. What's your plate number? TRF 3274. This trying to assault me. Hit me. Oh, she hit me! She hit me twice! Call the police! I got your plate!
What are you about? Look how fat you are. What are you going to do? Come on, what are you going to do, bro? What are you going to do? Why are you putting out on me for? Your parents could have pulled out on me.
No, and I apologise to you, mate.
Yeah, no, I said it was okay. You started saying you're going to start a fight.
No, he said sorry.
Yeah, okay, and then I was about to ride off and he starts giving it.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
Deserted lighthouse keeper's hut, which had some of the most nauseating, I think, wildlife I've ever come across in it. We used to sort of hide in this place, sort of surrounded by these sort of grotesquely large spiders.
Let's watch two videos of road raging drivers that got instant karma. In this first video, the driver in the Mini Cooper tries to overtake a semi-truck and ends up breaking his mirror on one of the traffic cones. As you're about to see, the driver is not happy at all, and for some weird reason he thinks the trucker is at fault, so he gets out to scream at the trucker. The trucker didn't force him to drive on the shoulder. I don't know why this guy is so angry. But he goes to check his mirror. Yeah, it's broken. This guy wanted the trucker to pay for his mirror even though it was his fault. He's pretty angry for a guy wearing a tie-dyed shirt. In this next video, though, we got some even funnier karma. The driver in the pickup truck brake checks several times, and what the driver of the pickup truck didn't realize is that he did that in front of a cop. So he gets out of his pickup truck to road rage, and comes face to face with an officer of the law, who tells him to get back in his pickup truck and pull over. This is just poetic karma. And the cop is not happy either. You can see the cop is actually pissed. He yells at the road rager, and something tells me that the road rager did not get off very easy.